Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your GoSimple tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome and bring up the search bar and type in GoSimple tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link accounts.gosimpleTax.com. Click on that link. Then you'll be taken to the new interface, which is the sign-in page of GoSimple. Now simply you need to enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. If you want to see your password or confirm your password, just click on I icon to see your password. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot password to recover your password. If you don't have any account of GoSimple Tax, just click on not yet registered. Sign up here. Then you will be easily create a new account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the uploads. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.